The Calheta Beach Hotel is located on the beachfront and boasts the only dazzling golden sandy beach on the island. Each room has a modern design and comes well equipped in AC. All rooms have a private balcony offering refreshing views over the ocean or rolling mountainous hills. Apart from relaxing on the only beach in Madeira, there's a gym to work out, an indoor spa pool and a sauna room to pamper yourself. There's also a kids' playroom. The resort is very much about cuisine. The main restaurant serves breakfast, lunch and dinner with a varied selection of fresh buffet-style dishes. The various inside and outside bars serve drinks all day, while the pool bar serves a selection of drinks and snacks. Externally there are 2 pools with sunloungers and shaded seating areas, and the sought-after beach is just a stone's throw away. If you're looking for a relaxing holiday with lots of space to sit around and take in the views plus a great selection of food, this all-inclusive resort might just suit you. See all our resorts in Portugal at www.exclusivetravel.co.